What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kanina back with another friendly reminder. It's Friday, you guys. Give yourself a hand because you've made it. You've made it to the end of the week. Aren't you happy? Aren't you proud? Hopefully, you are. So today's Friday video reminder is going to be about building financial resilience. We're going to talk about the power of saving and the importance of an emergency fund. Yeah, 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 it's gonna be all right. So, I want you guys to. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are, reaching your goals and creating wealth in your life. So, let's imagine a world where unexpected expenses don't lead to panic and financial stress. Like, you know how it is, man. I mean, unexpected things, shit happens, right? So it's like a world where you have the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have a safety net to fall back on. This world can be your reality by embracing the power of saving and building an emergency fund. So here I'm going to share with you guys some practical tips on building an emergency fund, and we're going to unveil the true significance of this financial safety net. So in today's unpredictable world, financial setbacks can occur when we least expect them. So, from unexpected medical expenses to sudden job loss, life has a way of throwing curveballs our way. So, by shifting our perspective and recognizing that building an emergency fund is not a luxury, but a necessity, we can take control of our financial well being and build a solid foundation for the future. So, you want to be able to have something to fall back on, in your life. As part of manifesting greatness, you want to always put some cash up. You never know what's going to happen in life. So you always want to be prepared. So we're going to go over the significance of an emergency fund. It serves as a financial safety net, providing protection against unforeseen circumstances. So it offers a sense of security. It empowers us to face unexpected expenses with confidence rather than fear. And so I'm going to go over some things of like why it isn't important. Financial resilience, like life is full of uncertainties, and having an emergency fund ensures that you are prepared to handle any financial curveballs that come your way. So, whether major car repair, medical emergency, sudden job loss, having a financial cushion allows you to weather the storm and maintain stability. And ensures a peace of mind. Knowing that you have that safety net in place brings a sense of peace. It eliminates the stress and anxiety that often accompany unexpected expenses. You're like, oh my God, where am I going to get this from? Where am I going to? So having that emergency fund can cut all of that anxiety out. So with an emergency fund, you can approach life's uncertainties with confidence, knowing that you are financially prepared to handle whatever comes your way. So here are some tips for building a financial emergency fund. Set a savings goal. Oh my God, what's going on? Set a savings goal. Start by setting a realistic savings goal for your emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. While this may seem, a little daunting, but break it down into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. Then you also want to create a budget. Establishing a budget is essential for building an emergency fund. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Redirect the money saved from reducing discretionary spending towards your emergency fund. You want to automate your savings as well. Make saving effortless by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck or your checking account to separate the savings account dedicated to your emergency fund. So this ensures consistency and removes the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Start small, but stay consistent. Even if you only contribute a small amount initially, don't be discouraged. Like on certain apps or certain money bank apps or whatever, if you have those kind of apps, you can like set aside your change, or you can set aside like they can save your change and send it to your savings account. So start small, stay consistent, but yeah, even if you only contribute a small amount, you're still contributing. So don't be discouraged. Consistency is key when building an emergency fund. So commit to saving a fixed percentage of your income each month and gradually increase it as you can. You want to cut expenses and increase your income. So you want to cut the things that you spend money on and then increase your income. Look for opportunities to reduce expenses and increase your income, like cut unnecessary subscriptions, negotiate lower bills, or explore side hustles to generate additional income. Channel the extra funds towards your emergency fund. So, whatever money you make off of that, whatever money you save from cutting those subscriptions, put it towards that, your emergency fund, and make it a priority. Treat your emergency fund as a non negotiable expense. So add something to it every chance you get. Prioritize it over non essential purchases or impulse buys. Remember that building an emergency fund is an investment in your financial well being and future security. So don't worry, don't give up you know, financial freedom and peace of mind awaits you. So by embracing the power of saving and diligently building an emergency fund, you can unlock financial freedom and peace of mind. So take control of your financial freedom by shifting your perspective, setting saving goals, and implementing practical strategies. Whether it's unexpected expenses or life uncertainties, having an emergency fund provides a sense of security that allows you to navigate and storm with confidence, any storm. So, in conclusion, you want to building an emergency fund. It's not just a financial strategy, it's a mindset shift towards prioritizing your long term financial well being. So, by framing your perspective to recognize the significance of an emergency fund, so you have to set clear saving goals and implement practical tips. You can build a strong financial safety net. So, and always remember, peace of mind awaits you once you start saving for, that whatever, you'll be okay. You'll have that to fall back on. So, yeah, start today. Save diligently, embrace the power of an emergency fund. It's the key to financial security and it brings a brighter future. So it helps you enhance your abilities to save. It helps you to create a new better habit and a habit of good, saving money, putting money to the side for things because we don't normally do that nowadays. So that's my friendly reminder for today, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. And don't forget to pick up the Dirty 30 down below. don't forget to grab your one-on-one session, whether business or meditation. The links are down below. And don't forget to check out my website. It's down below as well. All right, so thanks for watching, y'all. It's your girl Kanina, and I'm out. Peace. Yeah, no, I had to.